Hey travel fans, it's Ron from RJT Travels, and we are doing a fun activity here at the Sandals St. Vincent Resort. We are going to do a glass bottom boat ride. So I'm on my way down there now. They're going to take you around the island, show you a bunch of different coral reefs and fish and all kinds of fun stuff from the bottom of the boat, being that it's a glass bottom. So really excited to see what we see. And I'm going to go get a safety briefing, get my life vest on, get on the boat, and I'll show you guys what we see. So stay with us. All right, so that was the glass bottom boat ride here at Sandals St. Vincent. It was really fun. I know the camera was kind of hard to tell at some points, like looking through the glass there, but it really was incredible. You got to see a bunch of different fish and sea life. You saw some really cool coral and reefs. The other fun one is too is on that second video, that really was a shipwreck. Apparently it was a 40-foot ship that wrecked off the coast there overnight in a bad storm. So you got to see an actual shipwreck on there too. So it was really cool. They even took you down by the bat caves and stuff. It was just a very fun experience. So you're into a little bit of adventure, have a little bit of fun, beautiful views of the island as you could see from the different coverage in between the glass bottom pictures there. It was really a fun experience and something I'd recommend you guys do if you are going to come down to the Sandals St. Vincent. If you do want to come down, RJT Travels is a sandals agency and can definitely help you get down here and enjoy the paradise that is Sandals St. Vincent. So hit us up, let us know.